move day. So this is the old loader. Loader man tried to kill me. Anyway, that foot right there is still broke. I've still not got it fixed. I know, I'm a sorry business owner. Anyway, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna hook puppy up to this. I'm thinking Mickey's gonna have to bring his boom in closer to him. Pick up on. What we're gonna try and do is we're trying to, oh, I see what he's doing. He's trying to twist with the loader, and I don't think that's gonna work. My game plan was to go like halfway of the frame and then just kind of like shove straight down. That way we don't gotta unbind that chain. Might work, maybe. And what he's trying to do is he's trying to push down and twist all at the same time. And I don't think that's gonna work. Nope. He's pushing himself down the hill. Putting his outriggers down. He's got some more leverage there. I think if he would bring the bucket back on this side of the foot, that it would work a little bit better, because that's not going to work. Just got to go up more. We got to go up more. Yeah, we got her up now. Yeah, son. Alright, so now we got that done. Today is move day. We finally finished the woodpecker track, as we was calling it, this first thinning we've been doing. We are moving, I don't know if I showed y'all any of this last track, but all that stuff that we done in the summertime, all that really good first thinning, it's back in that general area, not quite exact, but close. We have 158 acres of second thinning to go get. Mickey racking his bucket up that way. So there's a month, maybe 2 of work to go do over there, weather allowing. It's very strange that we're even getting to go into that area, because it is today's December 28th, and usually December, January, you don't go to that area to work, but that's where we're headed for work. Yeah, the brakes work on my jump.
I didn't see it jump. I just asked the question.
Oh my God.
Bump the tires.
Yeah, there is one flat, but I'm not worried with it going that little bit of a distance.
You can blow out a tire in 3 miles.
Well, you got what you got.
You got 2 tires flat then side by side. Duh.
Well,
Well,
take it to the tire shop then.
how are you gonna drag it over with action?
Yeah.
Make it like that.
Anyway, so that's what we got going on. So we're moving.
Hey, I need some boot seats.
No, you don't.
We can pick it up.
Yeah. I was thinking maybe more put back here, and it might do a little easier.
That other loader, that old loader I used to run this year ago, had the swinging foot on it.
Yeah.
It had a little bit wider dead under, but I used to be able to stick the boom out and I could kick the whole front of the loader in. That's how I used to level the feet up on it.
Yeah.
When we took cut-offs, you put underneath the feet to level the loader up before it was sinking on the side of the road.
Yeah. Well, we got it. That's all that matters. It'd probably be easier coming undone than it would be going on in. Yeah. So, but anyway, so that's what we got going on. Moving. Going to find some good wood. Ooh, we need some good wood. Michael come over helping us. Mickey confiscated his skidder and they gonna burn tires off the skidder. Y'all gonna have to tell Mickey he's not a skidder hand. He just needs to give that back to Michael. Look, is he fixing to get off of it? I think he's fixing to get off of it and get back to him. But he bogged down right in the middle of the trash. Say, Turbo, you need to tell him he ain't no skidder man.
No, he left the blade down.
He was moving it with the blade down. Oh no.
He just let that truck turn around first. Go up there and turn around.
And he'll probably make the truck drive through the ditch over there. Tim, come on, we ain't got all day. I don't know what Dwayne's doing back here. If it was me, I'd have done come on by. I see what he's doing. He's gonna back up in front of Puppy. I think we'll call this video Loader Man Mickey is not a skidder man. Still running cool after your wash job? Yeah. That's good.
It ain't gonna go nowhere if the blade ain't up.
Oh Lord. So our delaminator is not gonna be used for a little while. But we got to get the top chains pulled off a bit and rotated all the 10s out to 13s again. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pretty well this whole thing, front thing, is at 10s. So what I'll end up doing is I'll take all the 10s off and put 13s back on it, and the 13s that's left on it, I'll leave them on there until it's time to put the 10s on the bottom. What?
Them move sheets in that thing.
Oh my God, you and move sheets. Come on, let's go get Bradley Willis some move sheets. Hey.
No, it's not.
You better look.
234B.
Well, you better look at the serial numbers.
Well, that ain't a B though. Matter if it's the same serial number, it's not a B.
Serial numbers are different.
I know.
Let me tend this truck driver so I have to knock him in the head. All right, we got puppy tended to. So anyway, what we'll end up doing is we'll take the 10s off at our 10s. We'll take the 13s off and reuse them. There we go, now it clicked. It locked. That way we ain't taking the 10 or the 13s and having to cut them and waste them. So the game plan is we're gonna hook these two loaders up. We're gonna move them two first. Then we're gonna come back. Michael should be done with his sets, and we will get the box and Michael and take him next, and then we'll be able to start making wood. Steven's been over there cutting yesterday all day pretty much, and then all day today. so there's plenty of wood cut. So just as fast as we can get Michael over there, we'll start making wood.
Release the brakes, dumbass.
Truck driver. That looks good. Oh my God. I guess he couldn't. He was not satisfied with that, so he's gonna back it up. Wait on Mr. Willis to get his chains. I think he's gonna be too far to the left. Willis says he's good. He's guiding traffic. The story will be told when that eliminator gets on the ramps. I think he's too far left. Maybe not. Maybe so. Maybe not. He's pretty far over. It's definitely not helping it being on that ramp like that. Come on, get up there. Yeah, come off and get over. As I thought I was right. I said, as I thought I was right. I was watching Willis guide him up on there saying he was straight. And I was like, there ain't no way that's straight. But you can watch those center of those cleats. And he's got 3/4 of a tire on over here. Usually it's got to be center of the cleat marks. Yep. You ain't no good at guiding traffic. He was half a tire off over there. You was telling him straight. You was telling him straight. killing y'all here is Michael trying to steer the box with his orbit motor. We got her whooped that time. Okay, we finally made it to the new place. Get this thing off. We're definitely not gonna need that. We're gonna need this. Go see the situation we have in the woods. Look at them high blinky lights. Do, 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 do. See if we can get mine. Michael! Just set your box right there on the side of the road. Just anywhere right there in that little deal. And we'll back Mickey on down the rest of the way in there, because it's just a straight shot. He's probably halfway to that set. So, whatever way to keep it from falling off.
Probably gotta break that one. I can't break it.
They need your cheater pipe on the other side, sir.
You gotta go break it.
Go see what we got for down here. All right, got a pretty good idea what we got going. See, Steven's actually daylighted both sides of the road. You can see that there going pretty good. See if we can get our delimiter off without it falling off. Hold on to it, Tonto. Hell, he's got it whooped. The other way, sir. All right, we'll get all this stuff out of the way and get a loader set up. We're here. Michael had him a big old snake caught right here a second ago. I don't see him no more. You watch Mickey push himself out in the set. I don't know where he went. But it's dry out there in it. It's just way right here at the set. So, this is home for several weeks. Several weeks. We'll get going here in a minute. Get Michael get some wood, get it up here, and see what we got. What do you think about it?
I think this damn loader's gonna bounce worse than a drug head of a race party.
It'll be all right. We'll just put some wood under you somewhere.
Got the feeling in your bones, make you feel right at home. Honey, does it well, keep me dancing till I'm dead. 'Cause I
this video up, mainly because I'm about to lose my battery. Hopefully y'all enjoy today's content, man. That's some nice looking stuff. There's not gonna be any logs come out of this. It's a little too short and it's a little too knotty. The big stuff that we are cutting is got a lot of knots and stuff on it in the place that I would have to sell my logs to. They basically will not take a knotty pine tree for logs. So anyway, y'all come back for the next video. Make sure you go down below, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. We're gonna stand here for just a little bit and watch Mickey load this truck. All right, got to go. Battery's dying. Last clip cut off because the battery's dying. Some good wood. Y'all go down in the comment section, tell us what you think about it. To the next one. Catch y'all next time. We're out of here.